Username is admin and password is what is 1234. Now you can see form home has been opened, but here we can still see this login page. Okay, the solution is, after showing this, I can say in this form 1.cs this dot hide, this dot hide and then semicolon. Now let's run. Okay, now password is 1234. Click login. You can see it has been gone, but the thing is, when you close this form, even that form is running in the background. So the solution is just have some button to permanently close the application. Let me go ahead and show you. When you go to form home, you can skip this close button. If you go to right click and then properties, we should see maximize box, minimize box, uh, is the close. Now I'm unable to find that one, but I can do that programmatically. We can double click on this form, and then here I will say this dot control box is equals to false. Now the username admin, password is 1234. You can see those control buttons are not visible now, but we should have option to find those. Now here we have control box. We can set it into false, then the control box will be disappear. Then we can just remove that. We have done that for our home, the login page. We don't have to do that. I will set this control box is equals to true, and then this form home is control box into false in our design. We can go to design, form home design. Where is that? I will go to view, and then solution explorer. This is the form home. I will set this control box value is to false. Alright, and then it is okay. Now we have to add manual buttons to close this window. To close windows, we can say button is added to here. I will say not double clicking, we have to change the text. I thought we can change the text by double clicking. It is not much powerful than I thought. Now button text can be changed by going into properties. I will say close application, we can say close is enough. It is I think exit is more powerful than close. Okay, we have the exit button. I will keep that like this, and then the click event for this I will add this one should be the button. Okay, I will say application dot exit, and then parenthesis semicolon. It will be a solution for our issue. Username admin, password 1234. Now you can see after doing that our application is closed. Alright.